Hello, fellow foodies, and welcome back to Blogging Good Food. Today, we have got a treat for you, easy cake recipes that are not only delicious but also a breeze to make at home. Whether you are a chocolate lover or craving something fruity, we have got you covered, so let's dive right in. Let's start with the ultimate crowd pleasure chocolate cake recipes. First up, we have a decent chocolate cake that's rich and moist, perfect for any celebration. Now, let's explore some creative decoration ideas for your chocolate cake. From chocolate ganache strips to edible flowers, and the possibilities are endless. Looking for a no fuss dessert? Try a chocolate dump cake recipe. Just mix, dump, and bake. It's that simple. If you prefer fruity flavors, our next category is for you. Let's wipe up a delightful strawberry cake. Now let's get creative with strawberry cake decorations. Fresh strawberries, whipped cream, and a sprinkle of love. It's a visual treat. Craving something zesty, a lemon pound cake is the perfect choice. It's tangy, moist, and oh, so delicious. For those who love the classics, we have got some timeless recipes in this category. Let's start with a simple yet divine vanilla cake. Vanilla cake is versatile. You can turn it into cupcakes, layer cakes, or even cake pops. Get creative in your kitchen. Got ripe bananas, turn them into a moist and flavorful banana cake. It's perfect way to use up those overripe fruits. Cake mix can be a secret weapon for quick and tasty dessert. Let's explore some innovative cake mix recipes. Craving cookies? You can make delicious cookies using cake mix as the base. It's a shortcut to sweet perfection. Cake mix can be the foundation for a wide range of desserts from bars to cobblers. Let's see what we can whip up. There you have it, a sweet journey through easy cake recipes you can make at home. For detailed instructions and more mouth-watering recipes, visit our website at blogginggoodfood.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to more delicious content. Happy baking!